yourself from AM 740, the best of the best. And this is Friday Night Bandstand. Just about 3 years ago, Paul Anka was inducted into the Canadian Songwriters Hall of Fame, November 15th, 2007. Ryan Hyland sealed with a kiss. Little Joe and the Thrillers with Peanuts, Team 57, and the Quintones and Down the Aisle of Love, 1958. That's a request for Al Moritz. Thank you so much, Al. And if there's something you'd like to hear on future editions of the show, you can always email me at bperoff@am740.ca. That's bperoff@am740.ca. Or you can write to me at 550 Queen Street East, Suite 205, Toronto, Ontario, postal code M5A 1B2. Coming up in just a moment, music from the Shangri-Las.
Here's what some members of our current team have to say about our
best to give it all that I've got.
home, to your work, to your cell phone, and take that first and most important.
Number 2.
WWL-AMFMN.com. A little chilly tomorrow morning and some patchy morning fog possible. Otherwise,
looks good for tomorrow. Mild, but we do have a slim chance of rain. 10% during the day, 20% after dark. Then colder and windy for Sunday.
Channel 4 Chief Meteorologist Carla Redondo says we'll see 30s on both sides of the lake come Monday morning. On a trial of 5 NOPD officers charged with killing a man in the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina.
For any of these serious injuries, please. Right now for a free quote, 800-870-3609. Bojack admitted to helping.
All the Americans improved.
Baby, so hurry down the...
816-289-2260. 816. Important study that we can possibly.
don't do. She'll answer, no, there's something I don't do. How can they tell such a lie and still look you straight in the eye? Whenever they say no to you, go right ahead, because it's 10 to 1 that they mean yes instead. But why did they always say no? When they know they mean yes, yes, they know they mean yes.